how to use Moomoo app. So this is going to be a step-by-step guide on how to use the apps, and let's get started. So firstly, download the Moomoo app from the App Store or Play Store. If you haven't, just download the app. Okay, once you have downloaded the app, open it and you go to sign up. You can sign up using your email or phone. All you have to do is simply click on this. So as if you are opening up the app for the first time, you'll get the sign up screen. Click on sign up and get the sign up done. If you need help with setting up or opening or registering up for your account, we have got a separate video in our channel which covers a step-by-step guide on how to open the account. You can look at it if you need assistance. So once you're done with setting up your account and you're logged in into your account here, so you have done the sign up process, verification and all those things, and next is you will get to this screen here. So this is the interface here. So now let's explore the interface. So in your interface here, you'll have different types of options here. So here your profile tab here, this is your profile tab. Click on it to go to your profile, and here is your discover page where you can listen to news and all those things, trade related news. And then here is the community tab where you can interact with fellow other people and other news and community boards and everything. You can access that. And this is account, which is your wallet account, on your wallet account. And this is market. So here it will show you the current markets and the stock performance, and all those informations will be listed here. And this is your watch list. You can add any stocks to your watch list for you, and you can mark it as favorite so that you can get it to it frequently, so these are the basic interface. And once that's done, so to start trading, what you're going to do is you go to deposit funds. So if you go to your my accounts here, you'll see an option called deposit now. So click on deposit now. All you have to do is link your bank account to deposit some funds. Okay, the deposit usually might take on the same day as well as around 1 to 3 business days. Okay, so once you're done with all your deposits, once you're done with all your sign up process, you'll get the screen here that your account is approved. So now what we're going to do next is, so you'll get to this deposit screen where you can simply deposit the amount using your pay ID or your account details. So you can just send it from your local bank to your bank here on Moomoo ID, on your Moomoo bank here. So you can use any of these option, your account option, and then just deposit money into it. So once you've funded your account and you're all good to make trades. So to make a trade, what are you going to do? You go to search for any stock or ETFs. So if you go to your markets or here, so just search for any stocks here that you want to buy. So for example here, so just click on it. So click on a particular item and you will see this option here, and then you can click on trade. Okay, click on trade, and then you can either, if you want to buy, tap on buy. If you want to sell, tap on sell. Okay, so you go to do that, and then what you have to do is simply, if you want to, for example, if you want to buy, click on buy, and then for buying and selling, you need to set up a trading password which you need to set to lock your buy and send transactions. Click on set password and then set it. So once you have set it, all you have to do is simply plug in these information, and based on what you want to trade or buy or sell, you can plug in those details here, like adjust it based on your preference, adjust it and click on buy to buy it. Or if you want to sell it, if you have assets you want to sell it, the same thing, click on sell options as well. And basically that's pretty much it is. And I hope this video was helpful. I will see you all in another new video. Thank you.